There's some good money in this strategy, and if you follow all the steps, you can get the money. This is the amount of money that I've got last week with the help of this strategy, and anyone can do this, okay? Anyone can do this. You just have to invest a bit of your time, set this up, and the money is yours. Hit that subscribe, and let's go and see. First of all, we can go over to reddit.com and we can find a subreddit like this one is. So this one is called gift cards, okay? And there are a lot of people in here who are looking for those gift cards, okay? They gather here for a reason. Same as this one. This one is called giveaways, and there are a lot of people in this group as well. They just like come here and they just like post the different gift cards, and people have a chance to win those, okay? So it's kind of a lottery, and if you put in your email or you click somewhere, you enter the lottery to get, for example, $250 PayPal gift card. So for example, this is Kindle Fire 7 giveaway, and there are a lot of these. You can see there are dates. I'm gonna talk about dates even more later in the video, but this is the type that you want to get yourself involved with. Another name for these like giveaways and gift cards, it is sweepstakes, and you can see all of it is on Reddit, okay? All of this is on Reddit, and there are a lot of people on Reddit. Gift cards, giveaways, whatever you choose, there is a lot of people, and that is the most important thing for this strategy to work, okay? It is important. You have to find a lot of traffic, and Reddit can provide you with that. A lot of traffic means a lot of money. Let me tell you how. As you can see, reddit.com has 1.7 billion total visits each month, okay? So each month, 1.7 billion people are coming on this website, and they all make that generous traffic, and you can see that the majority of them are coming from the United States, and I'm gonna tell you why this is important as well. So we just have to know that this is a good website, it has a lot of traffic, and consequently it can make us a lot of money, alright? Of course, this strategy is gonna work all around the world. You don't have to worry about your location. You can live in Tokyo and you can still get the money, alright? Just take a look at these streets in Tokyo. It's a craziness here. But enough about that, let's get that money. First of all, we have to go over to a website which is called CPA Lead, but this is only one of these, okay? CPA Lead is only one of them. Next one on the list is CPAgrip.com, and it's another beautiful website to make these like CPA offers. And if you don't know what CPA is, it is cost per action, okay? So whenever someone makes a certain action, you get the money for it. And I'm gonna tell you which action is needed on these websites. You can see that CPA Lead has 4.7 out of 5 on Trustpilot, and it's a good source for the CPA offers. Another one is called Offer Vault, and here you can find a lot of these, for example, like CPA offers, but some of these are really hard to do on this website. There is something which is easy, and I'm gonna show you, but for now we can maybe stick to CPA Grip. So I'm gonna tell you what CPA Grip is. If you click on register, the only thing that you have to watch out for is this publisher type. So when you make yourself an account, just select this GPT, because those are the kind of offers that we're gonna promote, okay? GPT Get stands for Get Paid To, so make sure you select this one. I'm gonna log in into my account so we can continue. Until then, you hit that subscribe button of ours. Thank you. So when you log in inside of CPA Grip, this is gonna be your dashboard, okay? This is the place where you're gonna land. So first of all, you can see that there's certain chat window over here. And to be honest, you can get a lot of help in this chat window. People can answer your questions and they can give you some help if you ask for it. And also what people do on this chat window is that they brag a lot. You can see that, for example, if you type something in the search bar, this system bot is gonna tell you how much money you've earned. So right away you can just become like this guy who got $70, but for this kind of profit you will have to wait a bit, okay? It needs to pass like few weeks until you can get like more than $1.5 thousand from this website, but it's possible. Everything is possible, guys. You only need to invest a bit of your time, and you have to be patient, okay? It is very important that you be patient and that you do this correctly. So what do you want to do when you come on here? Click on Offer Tools and click on My Offers, okay? Click on My Offers and then just choose the offer from this page, okay? And And this is why I told you that it is good to have United States traffic on Reddit, is because you can choose a country, okay? And if you want to target the United States, you can choose that. And it doesn't matter. You can live in Africa and you can do these US offers, okay? It's no big deal. You can just choose, for example, you can even choose Spain and you can do the offers from here. But for this one, you will have to know a bit of a Spanish, okay? So I don't know, maybe this one, for example, I know it's about PlayStation 5, so people can get PlayStation 5 and you will get $1 per each of those signups. But let's stick to the US offers, and here you can choose, for example, this one. This is $750 PayPal gift card, okay? It's a perfect opportunity. And just take a look at this, guys. You get $2 per each one of those emails. Now, why I say emails? Well, it is because of this. This offer is, as you can see, email, zip, submit. So in order for you to get those $2, all that people need to do is to enter their email address in the box. All right. And for example, for this one, this is mobile install, and it is pretty much self-explanatory, right? People need to install something on a mobile phone, and then you're gonna get 40 cents for it. Both of these are like really easy to do, but there are some which require, for example, credit card submit, and these are the hardest ones, okay? Because people are not willing to give credit card information that easy, okay? And for this one, people only need to enter their email address in the box, and that's why this is so easy, okay? People don't have to buy anything at all. They don't have to buy any subscription, nothing at all, guys. Just the email address, and that's why this works. For each email, you get $2. So just try to imagine how many of those people are gonna include their email address in the box, thinking that they have a chance of winning this PayPal gift card. I mean, they have a chance. It's a lottery after all. And if they get drawn, they'll get that gift card. But not a lot of people are gonna win that. Only one person can get it. So it's kind of hard for them, but for you, it's $2 per each one of those. So you don't have to care about who's gonna win what or not. So you just need to take your link from here, and then you just have to find the traffic for it. That's it. And of course, we already found the traffic for it, and it's reddit.com. Reddit.com giveaways, reddit.com sweepstakes, as you can see, or reddit.com gift cards. So all that you have to do is to include this post, or you can just go and make yourself a post, or you can comment on all of these. And this is why these dates are important, okay? So you have to put a date, because people are gonna scroll through these and maybe they will see something they like, but they're gonna think like, oh, I mean, it's over, it has passed. So that's why you need to do this constantly, and you have to change the date, okay? So when people see that something is new, they're gonna think they still have a chance to win that gift card or giveaway or something like that. That's why it's so important to include the date of today or whenever you are doing that, so people can actually click on it way easier. CPA Grip is going to give you $2 for each one of those, and that's why I love CPAgrip.com. Just take that action, guys. Involve yourself, invest a bit of your time, and the money is yours. I'll catch you.